Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and you all will be fine. Well, I'm back with a new video, and this is going to be our second video of the C++ series. Well, if you haven't watched the previous video in which I discussed the basic structure of a C++ program, that what this line means, include IO stream using names with STT and all that stuff, so I recommend you to go and watch that video first. I have given the link in the description, so you can watch from there. Okay, and now today we're gonna talk about escape sequences in C++. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Okay, so now we talk about escape sequences in C++. So escape sequences is our sequence of characters, okay, which are used in C++ for specific purposes. So we'll discuss few of them which are paramount usage in C++. So here the first character is the new line character, which is used to print a new line. Okay, so every escape sequences begin with a backslash. Okay, this backslash. So new line character is /n. Okay, you put it on an end of line or where you want to print a new line. Okay, so what will happen here is that hello world will be on a separate line, and then after that, as we press the enter in our code editor, okay, just like this, if I press enter, so a new line is printed like this. So in the console, when this program is compiled, so a new line will be printed. Okay, so hello world will be on upper line, and then underneath it will be the welcome. So it is just compiling, and it will come out just like this. Okay, hello world, then as we put here /n, so new line is printed and welcome is on the another line. So that is the sole purpose of the /n, which is the new line character. Okay, so that's one of the escape sequences. Now the last we talk about is /t. Okay, what it does is it prints 6 spaces. Okay, it prints as a whole 6 spaces. So here it is. Okay, hello world, then as I said, that it will print the 6 spaces, so then some space, and then welcomes comes. Okay, so it is the second escape sequence character. Then we have the backspace character. Okay, if I want that exclamation mark to be removed from here without actually removing it, so I use the /b. This will remove this exclamation mark. Okay, so here it is. Okay, hello world, and then this exclamation mark is missing and welcome comes directly. So /b where this is used for the purpose of removing something from your code, any character. Okay, so that's the 3 most important escape sequences. Now what if I want that hello world to be printed in double quotes on the console? Okay, so for this purpose I just put a slash, then double quote here, okay, then slash, and then double quote here. So what this backslash means here, if I insert I've inserted backslash, so then after that whatever the thing, for example this code will be printed and this code will also be printed. Okay, so we compile it, and here it is. Okay, hello is in double quotes, so backslash is also used for that purpose. Now if I want a backslash to be printed on the console after hello, okay, I want there after hello to be a backslash to be printed after hello. Okay, so for this purpose I just insert a backslash and then another backslash. this is acts as a escape sequence, and then this backslash will be printed. So here it goes. Then here it comes, a backslash is printed after hello. So if you guys have any question about the escape sequences in C++, well, there are many other escape sequences like the /a, which produces a beep sound if we use it in our code, but they are not as of paramount usage in C++ as those we have just discussed. Okay, so if you guys have any suggestion about this video, or if you do not understand anything, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I will reply you there. Okay, so that's all from my side, and looking forward to see you again. Goodbye.